Hello, in the previous video I taught you how you can actually create this AI image, but in this particular video we'll also be creating the image and also be swapping their faces with our own face. Okay, if you're joining me for the first time, subscribe to my channel. This is Peter again. So this is the link to the website will be in the video description, as well as the prompt I'll be using. Okay, now the Microsoft Bing and the other website, all you just need to do is sign up to the site and start using it. Okay, so this is Microsoft Bing. I will just paste in create a 3D scene of American guy sitting on black wearing an American shirt with red flag. Okay, cool. So American, let me use boy. Okay, so I'm going to create this. So it's take a while. I've almost exhausted my credits. Okay, cool. Subscribe to my channel, put on the post notification bell. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna take this now. For this particular image, you actually need a person with his face very visible. So the face needs to be very visible. The face needs to be very visible. Okay, so now this is the other side, face swap. So it will also be in the description of this video. I'm actually not signed up, so I'll just click on this first one. Just click on the box. Alright, so we'll be selecting the image which we want to swap. So this one, it's kind of visible, very visible and very glaring. So I'll click on this other box. So the first image which you want to use is going to be here, and the one you want to swap with needs to be in the down button. Now you need your image to be very visible. The image you want to swap, you need it to be very visible again. So I have my image somewhere around here. So this is my picture. So then I'll just click on swap. So it's going to select. Now also the face swap also help for two images too. Probably you have two images. Now look at how it was able to just put my face behind that guy. I actually don't like this anyway, but we just have to make do with this one just to get. So I'll come to multiple face. Remember one of the videos we did, we actually generated like the social media one I did. Okay, let's just see this one. Like, okay, this one. Okay, no, it's this. Okay, let me just click on this. Okay, what's going to happen now is the image is going to load. The image is going to load now, two images. So I'll just come here, click on this plus icon. Now I'm going to locate the image I want to swap with. So where are the location of the image, both image? So I'll still use the same person. Since I'm just in the same person, click on this. Not because actually the AI was actually able to decode just two images, two faces in there in the image. So just two faces. So when I click on swap, now watch the magic. At times you may actually need to sign up. So this is the result, you can see. Then I'll just download it. So let's open. Now look at my face on this and also my face on this. Alright, so that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.